Imagine you're applying for a loan. You're nervous, excited, and hopeful. You filled out countless forms, provided endless documents, and waited what feels like forever. But then, you get the dreaded rejection letter. Why? What went wrong? It turns out, the lender you applied to might have been using a credit bureau that didn't have a complete or accurate picture of your financial history. This is where the question arises, who does Borrowell use? Borrowell is a Canadian fintech company that offers personal loans and credit cards. They've gained a reputation for being a more transparent and customer-friendly alternative to traditional banks. But to understand how they make lending decisions, we need to delve into the world of credit bureaus. Credit bureaus explained. Credit bureaus are like financial watchdogs. They collect and maintain information about individuals' credit history, including payment history, credit inquiries, and public records. This information is used by lenders to assess risk and determine whether or not to approve a loan. The role of Equifax. One of the major credit bureaus in Canada is Equifax. It's a global company that provides data, analytics, and technology-enabled solutions to businesses and consumers. Borrowell primarily relies on Equifax's data to assess creditworthiness. How Borrowell uses Equifax data. When you apply for a loan or credit card through Borrowell, they'll pull your credit report from Equifax. This report will contain information about your past borrowing behavior, including payment history. Have you been making your payments on time? Credit utilization. How much of your available credit are you using? Length of credit history. How long have you had credit accounts? Credit inquiries. How many times have lenders checked your credit report recently? The importance of accuracy. It's crucial to ensure that the information on your credit report is accurate. Any errors or discrepancies can negatively impact your credit score and your chances of getting approved for a loan. Borrowell takes steps to verify the accuracy of the information they receive from Equifax. Beyond Equifax. While Borrowell primarily uses Equifax, they may also consider other factors when making lending decisions. These factors can include income, employment status, debt-to-income ratio, bank statements. The benefits of using Borrowell. By using Equifax and other relevant data, Borrowell aims to provide a more accurate and personalized lending experience. This can be beneficial for borrowers who may have been unfairly denied credit by traditional lenders. So, to answer the question, who does Borrowell use, the answer is primarily Equifax. However, Borrowell also considers other factors to make informed lending decisions. By understanding how Borrowell uses credit bureau data, you can better prepare for your loan application and improve your chances of approval. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.